My name is Neha Sharma. I'm your examiner here, and now I'm going to ask you some questions regarding part 1. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
First, tell me your full name.
My name is Amandeep Kaur.
Okay, how can I call you?
You may call me Aman.
Aman, let's talk about your family. Tell me about your family.
I belong to a large family. I have 8 members in my family. My parents, uncle, aunt, and one my younger brother, and 2 other siblings.
Where do they live?
They live. We live in a family, and we live in a countryside named Blaze, Gudrana.
What do you like doing when you are with your family?
I love to do so many activities when I am with my family. Like we were going to shopping and do activities like play in Tashri, and we also take dinner and lunch together.
Okay, let's move to health and exercise. What sorts of thing do you do to keep yourself healthy?
There are so many activities which I do. I go for morning walk daily and take a healthy diet which keeps me fit and healthy.
What other sorts of things are popular in your country to keep healthy?
There are so many sorts of things that people do to keep their body healthy. Like a youngster always prefer to go to gym where they do exercise, and if I talk about the old people, they love to do walking and meditation and do yoga.
What sorts of exercise do you not like doing and why?
Uh, First of all, I don't like to running because while running I am sweating and I don't like sweating. And other thing like go to gym. And but I like yoga because during the yoga I can also do meditation and feel relaxed.
How can you get young people to do more exercise as they are not doing enough exercise today?
I can't get the question.
How can we motivate young people to
Okay.
do more exercise?
First of all, parents can motivate their children to do exercise if they have the better lifestyle. Then they motivate their children while taking them with them, go for morning walk, do some meditation, and do yoga at all.
Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Now I'm going to give you a cue card. You have 1 minute to prepare, and I will tell you when your time finish.
Okay.
So you have 1 minute. Aman, you can start. Your time is up.
Okay. Well, I love to watch movies, and I have watched Bollywood and Hollywood movies as well. But today I'm going to talk about a movie which was very funny, and it was a PK movie. And I watched this movie after 3 or 2 months ago when I was sitting in my living room, and I found it's a very interesting movie because it's about an alien who landed in India, and unfortunately he lost his remote control through which he could back to his planet. And he was searching his remote control and asking the people from where he can get his remote back, and everybody said to him that God knows. And when he, as India has a diverse culture, and it has people have their own rituals and rites, and when he went to a church, then people don't mind to take wine in the church, and they can go to church without removing the shoes. And he took a wine in the mosque where it is totally prohibited wine, because people Muslim people can't take wine in the mosque, and everyone chasing him because he was offering wine to the god in the mosque. And that was the very funny scene because he doesn't know the culture and the tradition in India, and fortunately he escaped from the people because they were going to beat him. After that he was traveling by a bus, and he saw a lady who wearing the white sari, and he was try to ask him that what happened with you, why you are wearing the white sari, and people thought he was the flirting with the lady, and then they told him that she was a widow, and she has lost his husband. After that he went to a marriage, actually a Christian marriage, where a lady wearing a white gown, and he said, oh, your husband died. It was very a funny scene for me, because she said that no, I'm going to get married and I have my husband, and then she told him that we wear black on the demise, and then he went to the Muslim, and he saw a lady who wearing a black gown, and he said, oh, you lost your husband, and then she, no, I have my husband already here. And that was the movie which I found very interesting, and I also, that movie make me thought a lot, because if a person came to my place, came to my India, and how they can get the different culture and religion we have, then that was the movie which I found very interesting and comedy.
Can I take it back?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask you some questions regarding films and cinema.
Okay.
Can you compare the television and cinema as form of entertainment?
If I talk about the television, people can enjoy watching movies and watching the so many videos and news while sitting their home. If they want to hang out with their friends and spend quality of time with them, then they can go to the cinema and enjoy their time there.
Why it can happen in TV?
Because people want to sit alone and also sit with their family and spend time with their family while watching TVs, and they don't want to go to with their family on theaters and cinemas, especially youngsters. They spend quality of time with their age mates.
Do people in your country prefer American films or films from other part of the world?
Actually, it's a personal choice, because there are so many people who love to watch Bollywood and Hollywood movies, and it's a personal preference that which kind of films they want to watch.
How do you think world cinema will develop over the next 50 years?
Can you repeat the question, please?
How do you think world cinema will develop over the next 50 years? Means what kind of changes you can see in the cinema? What are your expectations?
I think there will be so changes in the cinema after 15 years, because we can also see that now we can also watch the 3D or 4D movies now, and it's also will be happen that we can watch 8 or 8D or HD movies in the future.
HD movies are already there right now. Okay, do you feel that film stars are overpaid for what they do?
I don't think so, because they have to sacrifice their personal life, because whenever they go outside they always surrounded by the thousands of peoples and media, and they have to sacrifice their privacy, and they work a lot to getting more.
Do you think the film star, whatever they promote, is always good?
Not, because there are so many stars, film stars, they promote illegal products like wine and cigarettes, and like for example Salman Khan, who is a very well known actor, and he is promoting a brand Signature, which is a very set a bad example on the youngsters.
So, okay. So this is the end of your speaking test.
Okay, thank you.